Okay, up next on the bench is a Sonance Sonamp 1250. It's a MK2 1250. She's a monster. Got a big toroidal transformer. Got 6 separate amplifier boards. This is actually a 12-channel amp. These are for distributed home audio or home theater use. I've been using this in my home theater for quite a while. I've made some changes. I went all audio source amps, wired everything down to 2 ohms, and so I no longer am going to use this in my main audio system. I may put it in my bedroom surround system. I'm toying with that idea. It's just kind of big and heavy. I've got a Sony 7.2 setup in there currently, and I could easily put this in there, but I'm debating. I don't know. But yeah, I just thought I'd open this up and show this thing to you guys because these are kind of different. These amps you can do a lot of different things with. You can bridge each channel. You can run stereo pairs. You can do a lot of different things. You can route the main input to all stereo channels, or each amplifier has its own input and you can send an audio source to each individual amplifier. It's pretty crazy. It's configurable on the back with dip switches to allow you to set up how you want to run this thing. Let me kind of try and spin this thing around here really quick. I'll show you guys the business end of this thing here, which is a lot. Most people look at this thing and they want to faint because they don't even know where to begin. It's a lot. It does a lot of different things for sure. It's a badass amp. So in the mix of just changing things around here, I thought I would open this up and kind of go through the inside. I'll blow it out and check everything out just to make sure it's good to go. I just finished doing a full service on this Timon 10-band EQ here. We just did a solder reflow and cleaned all the sliders and everything. I just finished putting that all back together. So I just thought it's time to open this thing up and do the same thing with it. And I can finally get it out of my office here. So, but yeah, I just wanted to open it up and show this thing to everyone because like I said, these aren't your everyday amp that you normally see. So this is a high current amplifier. And so this thing's capable of putting out about 1800 watts is about its max limit. So yeah, it's got a lot of power. Rack mountable, cool amp. So anyway, I just thought I'd show it to you guys. Like I said, you don't come across stuff like this every day. This isn't in your realm of your normal, audio amplifier world. These are more specialized usage type amps. So anyway, yeah, it's pretty cool. These things are super expensive when they're new. They're about $2,400 new. So Sonic's stuff is not cheap, that's for sure. Pay a premium. Like I said, it's their stuff is designed outside the realm of normal audio stuff, and like I said, you pay the price for it. But anyway, yeah, it's a cool amp. Like I said, and if you guys looked at my audio source videos or not, but yeah, all these big high current amps all have these round toroidal transformers and everything in them. It's kind of a theme with the big amps like that. So, but anyway, yeah, it's got a nice layout, easily serviceable, plenty of room to get in there and work, so yeah, they're good amps. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll get the top cover buttoned up on this thing here shortly once I finish checking out some stuff. But anyway, I just thought I'd shoot a quick video of this thing and let you guys see what it's about. I'll check you out on the next video.